Okay, here we are in the Himalayas trying to learn rock balancing. From me, who has spent only 6 months doing this, I don't know more than perhaps you will by the end of this. रॉक बैलेंसिंग कोई आपको सिखा नहीं सकता, वो आपने खुद ने ही सीखना है. पर there are some basic principles, fundamentals which always work. One of those fundamentals is, and I'd like to begin with a question: what do you think is the most stable geometric shape two-dimensionally? Triangle, perfect. And it has 3 points, right? And you can never balance a sphere on a sphere because it will never rest.
Right.
But imagine balancing sphere on an object which has 3 points of contact. Will it stay or will it fall? It'll stay. Now look at a rock. A rock has many dimensions, many surfaces. You know, the trick is that you have to find those 3 points of contact.
So saying this is easy.
See? Yeah, no.
I think it's windy as well.
No, it's not because of the wind. It wobbled, the foundation wobbled. Like I said, your foundation is supposed to be very strong. Maybe it was not in the right position, so I'll reorient it. ये 2 point of contact मिल गए. अभी I'm finding the third one. अब ये पूरा concentration का चीज़ है. इसमें आपको क्या करना होता है पता है? इसमें आपको deep breathing करना होता है. The deeper your breathing is, the more focused you are. The lesser movement there is. The lesser movement, the more awareness. And there comes a point when everything blurs out, when it's about to balance. अब मैंने क्या तीनों point of contact मिल गए, पर अभी देखो center of gravity match नहीं हो रहा, छोड़ने पे उस तरफ जा रहा है. Now I have to find that center. Now I found 3 points of contact. Now I have to find the center. Very soon I'm about to find it. So आपको एक gut feeling आता है कि अब ये होने वाला है.
हेडस्टैंड में भी होता.
Ta-da! There it is.
Beautiful. Nice.
Right? So now I would like you to pick your own rock
I have a question.
and try balancing. Yes?
While searching for those points, the tips, so the points they get rubbed, dust, little bit of dust here and there. So, is it not blurring the edge we are looking for, or?
Oh.
Very nice! I'm so sorry, but I have to capture this
Yeah,
first.
of course.
Very good!
Nice.
Good job!
मेरे को कोई पत्थर देगा?
हाँ, so dust होता है आपके.
जैसे वो खिस रहा है,
हाँ.
है ना? और जो आपने पॉइंट सोचा था कि ये पॉइंट मुझे वहाँ रखना है, अब वही घिस गया.
अच्छा.
तो
इसमें दो और ट्राई करो.
अच्छा.
हाँ. अभी ये एक इसमें होने वाली चीज़ तो है नहीं. अब देखो 2 बैलेंस हो गए. दूसरे पे मेरे को तीसरा बैलेंस करना है. तो ऑब्वियसली ये तो वॉबल होने वाला है. पूरी मेहनत मेरे काम से जाने वाली है. दिस इज नॉट जस्ट द आर्ट ऑफ balancing or the art of now. It is also the art of letting go and starting all over again.